Hello again. Thanks for checking out my new video. In this episode I will be drilling a hole in my new toilet. Stay tuned to see the whole process. You see, I ordered a new hot looking modern style toilet by Duravit. I love the look of it, but there is one problem. All the plumbing is supposed to be concealed, so there is no water line is supposed to be visible. Therefore, there is no hole for the water line to go from outside of the toilet to inside, because by design, the water line should come in from the wall behind the toilet. But that's not how I have it in my house. As you can see, my water line comes from the floor on the left side of the toilet, so I need to drill a hole into a toilet to be able to feed the water line inside. I purchased a Lennox brand 3/4 inch diamond hole saw from Lowe's. I will have links to all products in this video in description. I will use my battery operated dual drill to complete this process. Also, I got a cup of water with a paper towel to keep the hole saw wet at all times and to clean up the mess along the way. As you will see, it took me some time. I will not fast forward the video, so you would be able to see the whole process. Please note that I was not pressing hard on the drill at any time during this process. This is because I didn't want to crack the toilet or to make a porcelain to crack even a little bit at the end when it's weak. I chose this hole saw because it's perfect for drilling holes in porcelain tiles. And this toilet is also made of porcelain, so why not? While drilling, I stopped multiple times to wet the area and clean up the mess to see the progress better. It's important to keep it wet at all times while drilling. It will speed up the process and will keep the porcelain and hole saw cool. Keeping them cool will prevent the porcelain from cracking and will prolong the life of the hole saw. After a little over 7 minutes, the hole saw finally went through the wall of the toilet. You can see the inside of the hole and how thick the wall is. Now I can finally feed the water line through the side wall of the toilet and install it in place. Here is the final look. Even though this toilet costs so much, I think the look of it is worth every dollar. Thank you again if you stayed with me until now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is the great time to do so. Also hit the bell icon next to subscribe button to be notified when my new videos are published. Also hit the like button to let others find this video easier. I'll see you at my next video.